video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you know every single time I post a video. So you know, as you can see, I am in front of Plato's closet. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money without having a job. Having a job, just making extra cash. But we're gonna sew our clothes today, okay?
Hey guys, it's me. You don't know me, but my name is Maddie.
We're on our way to Plato's closet in Valparaiso. We're gonna sew our clothes. We have like, I have a bin.
I have like 3 garbage bags, 3 big shopping bags, and a duffel bag full of clothes.
My bin is full of hats, 1 pair of sunglasses that was given to me for free during homecoming week. Then I have, I think, maybe 4 or 5 pairs of shoes that I don't wear. And then I have this bag. I had a friend in high school who gave this to me. I'm gonna see how much they'll give to me for this bag. Because this is pink. Like, this is pink brand. Yeah. So they need to give me some coins. Cause
Baby girl.
baby boy, that cost some money. Even though I didn't pay for it, it cost some money.
I think you missed your exit.
Did I miss the No, I missed the freaking exit. I did. I think I did. No.
Cause I was like Michigan City. I don't know when the next exit is. Try to exit on the next exit.
Well, it's saying take that route, so I'm assuming that's the more efficient route. Right
I mean, you're going all the way in Chesterton though.
You're right. But what's our ETA on there now? Like 10 something? What is it?
19 minutes.
No, what's the actual time?
Oh, 10:13.
10:13. Okay, so
Plato's closet open at 10. We were trying to get there at exactly 10 because of how much stuff I decided to bring. But that's because I'm going to college and I have way too many clothes. I'm trying to downsize, even when I'm downsized, I still can't bring all of my clothes, but it'll still make it kind of easier to downsize. Yeah, we're not gonna get there on time anyways. It's 9:55.
oh Lord.
So hopefully nobody comes before us trying to sell clothes, and if they do, hopefully it's a small amount of clothes because I literally brought my whole life.
Alright, so we're getting our things out the car, okay? And we are at Plato's closet. So we already went in and put all of our clothes in the store. So now we just wait because it's gonna take an hour and a half. What are we gonna do for an hour and a half? I don't know, but I need some food, so I think that's what we're about to do right now. Okay, bye. So now that that's all in my tummy, I'm gonna go to the nail salon that is right over there. Maddie just went over there because we still have like maybe 30 more minutes to wait, but she left me about 15 minutes ago because she's about to get her nails done and her toes done. So I'm about to meet her over there. I don't think I'm getting my nails done or my toes done just because I have my toes done already. My nails are not done, but I can't afford it right now. Especially because I just bought the Chipotle and that's not in my budget whatsoever. I'm not sure if the people that were behind me were just in the video, but oh well. They saw the camera. They could have went around. It's okay. But yeah, I'm about to go over there. And I guess I'll meet you guys there. I'm on this car's tail right now, right? And look, it says, do you follow Jesus? This close. It's your turn. We're on our way to Plato's closet so we can see how much we made. Hopefully I made enough to get my nails done because I'm broke. My girl season has been over for me for a minute just because I owe Howard $2,015, I believe, and 50 cents. So I just been broke. And then I got other bills on top of that. It's just a mess. So I guess I'll meet you guys there. So I realized I can't bring my drink in there, so I gotta go back to the car. Boop. Went back to the car, put my drink in the car.
Okay. Yeah, because then we put it into our system.
$108? Oh, snap. That's dope. Okay.
You know I have way too much stuff.
I'm making
5, 6, 7, 8, making 45.
wow. Wait, I wonder if my stuff is ready. Wait, is it ready? Is mine ready too?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at all these bags she has. Like, this is just, this is overdoing it. And those are the clothes they didn't take?
Yeah.
She still has a lot left over and she made $100. Easy 100. So you guys should definitely do this. If you want some extra cash, period, boo.
13 items, so we can give you $36.60 for the one to spend. That's okay with you?
Yes. Can I get my actual bin back? This one isn't my.
Stuff that we're taking. So I'm going to give you everything.
Gotcha. I can't believe you brought all those clothes and got 100. Thank you. That's all the money I made. That's so many money. This is how do I sell. So of course, first you find your clothes, which I did, obviously. That's Steph's bin though, but the rest are mine. And then most of them have to be gently used and purchased within the last 18 months. Of course, they have to be clean, neatly folded. Bring in a box, bin, or tote. Shop and save up to 7%, and you can get cash on the spot. Which I ended up getting $108, like Steph told you. So I think it was a good experience. Last time I made $77. So within this whole week, because I went on Monday, today is Thursday. So within this whole week, I made like 185, 186, somewhere around there. So that's pretty good within 1 week, and I still have a lot of clothes that I can keep and wear. Girl, wow, that's literally yours. $5? Is it $5? Wow. They didn't tell you how much they sold it to you for, did they? I mean, not each item, but once you do the math, they sell it to you for like $2 to $3 each item. Right. And then they would upsell it about. See, I work retail, so stuff like this. You see how these hangers are out? Yeah. You should. Bother you? Yes. It bothers me so much because we work so hard to keep everything straight. And you see how hard it is just for you to do it? Imagine them doing it and trying to get home. Oop. It's just a lot. I don't think doing this.
I know how it is working retail and put all the buggies up.
Right, like it's horrible. It's trash. See, the thing with recording with the phone, like you can't switch it.
I'll give it to you.
So I have to do this. But it's easier because when I do this, it's still recording, right? When I do this, I can actually look at you guys instead of looking this way, like look at myself, because when you record with the front camera, you get distracted like looking at your face. So, but yeah, we're about to take all this stuff, mostly Maddie's stuff, back into the car. You're so silly. Oh my God. All right, so I guess we'll see you there, okay? We are done with our adventures. You made $100, I made $36, and then I went and spent it on my nails. She got her nails done, but she still made a better profit. So that's it for this video. We're just about to unpack all of this stuff into our house and take all my stuff back home. So I guess we'll see you guys later, okay? So don't forget to like, comment if you what should I comment about? Comment if you found this helpful, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you know every time I post a video. Okay? All right. Bye. And I guess I'll meet you guys there. So I guess I'll meet you guys there. All right. So I guess we'll see you there. Okay? So I guess we'll see you guys later. Okay?